One of the most significant enhancements we've made to the count feature in AutoCAD 2023 is the ability to define a specific region of your drawing that you want to count. You can specify a count boundary by dragging a box over the area you want to count, by defining a polygonal counting boundary, or by selecting an existing boundary object. We've also added the ability to select sets of counted objects, giving you more control over the objects that you need to count. Additionally, you can now recall counted objects from count tables that you create, even after you've closed the count palette. Finally, we've added support for both text and hatches. This means AutoCAD can accurately distinguish between blocks with the same geometry but different hatch patterns or text, giving you greater accuracy and more granular control.